welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is saying that she is not hiding anything. And if, people want to sit and talk about her in this situation, then they're free to, because she basically accidentally, showed a photo, which is now on social media. People are posting it all over social media to show her, person that she was dealing with or whoever that person is on the photo. And she's saying that basically she is not going to sit and, you know, basically cry about it or whatever because it happened already. What happened or gone bad in the morning cannot be fixed that night. And she's not going to sit and really speak over it. People basically said or posting that on social media and talking about it, but she's saying that she's an adult and she's entitled to have a man and it shouldn't be anybody's business, even though she's on social media doesn't need to have it out there. But people are, you know, circulating that information, the picture that is. So you have to go ahead and hear the video, hear what she has to say about it. And she's saying it's a 90 talk. It will come to an end. It must come to an end. They will stop talking about it. So go catch the video, hear what she has to say about this. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. I wish you prosperity, peace, and all your heart desires. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, my subscribers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves today a wonderful, wonderful day. We'll catch your video.
Media for fan page. I feel blood clot, bumbo clot, man. Me never know say I feel. But me put out man out here. Yeah? And so everybody will walk on social media and put out their man on them page. I then put out it. I feel you if come share it. Cause suck your blood clot stinking say boring girl. Your blood clot ugly like. But up on you. But yeah, call. Come in here, Howie. Who gives a fuck? Call who you want, call. Who gives a shit? Yeah? Who gives a shit? I'm Marcia, my name. Me an independent blood clot girl. Me live with man, I'm married. You understand? So we the bumbo clot to take this thing for. But yeah, but come here, ho, come put out. Where the pussy clot you get out of it? Yeah? Where you getting out of it? Yeah? You get reward? Eh? Did one woman tell us say any woman here go there? Then he come tell us if you go watch him. Eh? Where I watch for? Who business where you want to put out? Eh? Me tell you already now, you play blood clot fire and you will get pussy clot burn. You're playing with fire and you're going to get burned. Every single day, you come out here put out picture. Every day. The blood clot here put out picture out. Who business if you want to put out picture? Who business if you want to put out a picture and a talk about picture? Go talk about picture now. The bumbo clock this. Me never know say me I hide. I never know that. I never blood clot. Me never know say tree are growing on my face. Me never know say me never take man all my life. From me in my 20-year old. You think say me walk a fuck around the place like you? You fuck from me at 9 and me a fuck from me in my 20s. Yeah. So your pussy can't compare to mine. So I don't know where you come and watch me for. Every blood clot day you come about you watch for. What the fuck where you getting out of it? What are you getting out of it? What the fuck are you getting? What you expect to get out of it? What are you getting out of it? One in wife or a woman to come beat me up? Eh? If him have a woman out there, the whole thing can and him have to sort out that. But I'll be right here waiting. I'll be right here waiting, honey. Eh? Me fire and hire any blood clot time. Me have the power for that. So me fire and hire. So what you expect? Me have what it takes to get any man. So what you expect? What time is it now? Anybody out there? When am I going to shame? When am I going to shame to talk to me? I shame around with me. When am I going to shame and say, come on, sing a talk to me? Any man will talk to me. What can I come out of this? What can come out of this? Where am I going to say? Oh, Marcia is talking to? Yes, Marcia I'm talking to. Talking to Marcia. And if you have other woman out there, well, too bad. Well, too bad. Too bad. Nowadays, man, they have to pick them choice. We don't have the time to play a Ross game around here. No game playing around here. Marcia, I play a game at 52-year-old. We don't have the time to play a game. We don't have no time to play a game. You see the rider? I'm sick and tired of this blood clot. Them only depend on social media. When you get something to talk about, go and go talk about it. Go and go talk about it. Go and go talk about it. Because me want to know, say, me want to know if me not supposed to, no man not supposed to call to me. I mean not supposed to have a relationship. I mean not supposed to have one little man to talk to. Me want to know what's wrong with me. I want to know. I think I done. Do what I do it right now. See me just I'm going on a little mini vacation, you know, people. So me just make sure say everything is in order before I left this place. I like to do everything at night. So in the morning time, I don't have nothing to do. And then I normally time I go to bed anyway. It's a phone I want to charge up. So in the morning time, I don't have nothing to do. So that's what you see me do right now. Make sure so everything. So when the lady come, everything is, all I have to do is to get him up, put him in the shower, and care get him breakfast. That's all. That is it. I like to do everything. Everything at night. Mop everything. Yes, my dear, we do everything. Where is the charger? But anything can happen. This phone right here, so a little bit. The little something is a little bit down the bottom. Anything can happen. It will be a 9-day talk. What no do? What do you expect to come out of it? A 9-day talk. Yeah? Not what you expect. Yeah? What do you expect to come out of it? What do you expect to come out of it? What? What expect to come out of it? I'm just saying. What do you expect to come out of it? Huh? What do you expect to come out of it? What do you expect? I have to work it out. If I have a woman out, I have to work it out, the two of them. You just have to work it out. All him have to do, yeah, I don't go work, he don't have to chat to me. Me go my way. If you're a woman who say don't talk to her, I will talk to me, go my way. Ah, no loss around here. Not a bumbo clot. No loss around here. Me an independent woman. No love lost around here. I'm more asking myself, what is this big deal? I don't know. I don't want to go out and free myself. Any man I go out with me? Any man I go out from me from the man. And me and them I go a party. No hiding business. No, me not hide. Me not in a hiding business with nobody. I make them potatoes still good. Me don't no hiding business. That party, me don't no hiding business with nobody. That's what it is. A man love me, then put a ring on my finger. It's strictly like that. Me and a girlfriend, me a wifey. Tell people all the time. Any man me a chat to me, give them 1 year to 6 months. You can't marry to me? Well, you got to go. You got to go. And me is a wife. Me and a girlfriend. Me and a girlfriend for a little bit till you get to know me. But once you get to know me, and you know my spirit, and you know who he is, and he's a good man, I am not going to sit around. I am not going to sit around. I'm going to give you your paper to go. Yep. So, I don't know what is in the problem. I don't know what is in the problem. On the come on social media every day about you now hunt down some other relationship. What up on you? What up on you? It could be a 90 talk. I'm not denying nothing. I am not denying anything at all. I'm not denying nothing. If you get to wash out, it's a cup and chocolate milk because you know this a cup. My cup, you can't carry my cup with me. Feel free. I'm not bright and out of that. I don't make big deal out of that for. I don't expect it out of it. You don't want to see something, you want to see something now. Bumbo clot. Don't want to know. Want to see something, want to see something. Any woman here about him for work out them salvation. If she don't want him, I'm right here waiting. I'll be right here waiting. I'm waiting for my baby. So what is it? At least me have like a piece, you know. God knows I'm sick and tired of this bumbo clock. I'm sick and tired of it. So I want to know. I want to know wrong with me. Me a 52-year-old. Me a nice, attractive, stunning woman. Me deserve a good man in my life. And a good husband. Me not understand how come when you come out here going like say, me not have a man in my life. Like me tell me say me walk on a sock blood clot crutch. Eh? Me tell you say me walk a sock crutch. For me not have a man in my life. Me never know that. Me dash them food out of the fridge. I know say, I see how I do this. Wow. Let me see how it is. Yeah. Me dash them food, yeah. Like me not dash you. The next lady is not going to throw them away. Awesome. What is going on? I have one friend who I talk to. And you know them always I try to hunt down to see who I talk to. And I try to show one picture. We have 4 corners with one dirty girl and show me up. And I take some picture with a friend of mine. And instead of that, so this picture show up with the person. And of course, let me show up with the person. With me and the person, a kiss. So they have it out here. So by the time we could have whatever it is. I know them catch it already because them video wait for me to come out because they don't have no content. So me want to know what is going to come out. It's going to be a stale news, carry it on. Yeah. So I hit now. I hit now. The picture exposed with a friend of mine. One of the man that me a date, because me have one per man, you know. Only per man, because me a whore, like she. According to she, me a one of the man them. So one of the man them when me a date, and me have only the picture exposed, so I hit now them out here running with it. I'm not gonna deny it. He's one of my man. Several man here have over a dozen. You think I'm gonna deny it? I'm not denying him. I'm not gonna deny him. I am not gonna deny him. So if I come here want to come to deny him, I'm not deny him. We're in a date deny this is around here. So it shows up. Oh, me didn't know some I could show him up. Then ask a question. Me never know some near eye. Well, anything like that must come up in a blood clot light. I remember I forgot dry clean my morning. Before I left up here, I have to remember to go to the dry cleaner in the morning. Alright, so you have to go into the garbage. The cup. Alright, yeah, my glass going this on. Alrighty. You are my tea bag. Okay, alright. I need my coffee cream over here with me. My tea. I need that. I make a big deal. I make a big deal out of nothing. When I make a big deal out of something for what you not trying to prove? Him have a woman? Well, let's see. If him have somebody, if him have somebody, what should do? Yeah, what she going to be? Come be stupid and come out of social media can cost me, Marcia? Then she a mad somebody. Anybody we ever talk to. So them would have really stupid. If you come out of social media, if you come expose themselves and go tell the social media say me a chat to them man and then and the people who know say Marcia terrible with words. So them really and truly. I got them a look for. Yeah. Is that's what they're gonna look for? If you have a woman out here, if you come cuss me on social media, eh? What me don't know about? Say I have a woman. So what am I gonna do? Come on social media, come cuss me. They give you no contents. I don't think that the woman would be so stupid. I don't think so. I don't believe that the woman would be so stupid. If you come on social media, if you cuss Marcia. What do I know about? I was stupid woman and I come and fight over man. I fight over no man. I fight over no man. If you have a woman, what them have to choose? You just have to go choose which one you want. These are forced to be reckoned with. He's an independent woman. So, and that's what it is. When I want to come out here and talk, yes, it's my friend. I mean, not deny him. I'm my friend. I'm not going to deny him. Me not denying him. He's my friend. I'm not denying him. The sorry same picture I expose. I'm not going to deny him. If him have a woman out there, he have to make a choice. And that make me can't walk with anytime. I am not denying nothing. I'm not going to deny somebody when me and my go together so long. Nope, I have so much time together. Me? Nope. So anything when I want to catch, no catch. Me tired of sick of that Ross. I want to free up myself and go out by myself. And go out and enjoy myself without blood clot problems. Sick and tired of it. I'm 52 years old and I have time for foolishness. I am 52, I don't have no time for foolishness. Anybody want see it that way? See it that way. I don't have time for foolishness. I don't me finish now. Do what me I do. Make sure say everything is dash where every food dash out of the fridge. And everything. Make sure say everything, cause when time I come back I want to see when I left.